Hello, today we're going to be doing prime factorization. This is going to help us as we find the least common denominator of fractions, as well as pretty much any time we work with fractions. When we use the distributive property, there's lots of times that we're going to use factorization. So it's an important skill for us to know how to do as we build. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to answer the question, how do I know if a number is a prime number? This is from Standard 6 NS4, Number Systems 4, and you should be able to find the GCF of two numbers less than 100. Also, you should be able to find the LCM of two numbers less than 12. And before we begin, we need to remember that GCF refers to greatest common factor, while LCM is referring to least common multiple. Now, before we can even begin with actually solving a prime factorization problem, there are some definitions that we need to make sure that we have. And the first one of those definitions is we should understand what it means for something to be prime. What does a prime number refer to? Do I have a student who can give me the definition of a prime number? Amara, please stand. Very good. So Amara said that a prime number, I'm going to abbreviate, a prime number is a number that is only divisible by 1 and itself. I'm going to scoop this up. Remember, if you didn't get the topic and essential question, you can pause the video or you can go back and write those down later if you need to. So it's only divisible by itself and the number 1. So some examples could be number 3 or 5 or 7 or even the number 2. And oftentimes we think of prime numbers being only odd numbers, but if you look at 2, it's an even number, but it's still only divisible by itself and the number 2. A factor is another term that we need to know. A factor, what is a factor? Who can tell me what is a factor? Noah, please stand.
A factor is like the numbers that can go into another number?
Correct. So the factors are the numbers that are multiplied together to get an answer product. Write it down, please. Write this upside down.